So hi everyone, I'm back once again, but this time with a different product, not a select. So before we get started, press that little subscribe button, ring that bell so you won't miss another video. Okay, so today we have the Influencers blog box. I know many of you may have heard of it, but for those of you who haven't, they have some great products. I mean, listen, here's my box. Here's my box. Let me see if I can get this to focus. Uh, uh, is it, there you go. Influencer. Okay, you can find them, on YouTube, Instagram, but we're going to talk about the blog box, okay? You get your little box in here. Oop, look, I'm about to, knock this over. You get the product. So, it's the Age Perfect. Okay, so let me read you a little about it. L'Oreal Paris. Discover Age Perfect Rosy Tone. It's a moisturizer, okay? A daily moisturizer that boosts skin's rosiness for younger looking skin. 24-hour hydration, absorbs quickly, and it is non-greasy. It is really non-greasy. Like I was saying, really. So, let's get into this. This is L'Oreal. Once again, I keep saying it, L'Oreal. Okay, this moisturizer, I don't think you could see it. You can't. This light is just it's not working. Like, okay, can you see a little? Yes, I've used Ivy. It's a rosy pink color. I mean, the smell is just, I can't really describe it. I know the smell is just, when I'm using, products on my face, the first thing I do is smell it. Even if I'm in a store, want to try it, buy something, sometimes, I've been looking for the boxes that are open so I can smell it because I don't like to necessarily put products on my face that more or less, that has too loud of a smell. Too loud of a smell, because some products they have too loud of a smell, or they have like a perfumey smell. Now that would just aggravate my, my allergies, my sinuses. I would blow up quick. But this, it has this awesome smell. Moisturizing. Oh, it is so moisturizing. I'm just going to dip a little bit because I don't want to be wasting my product because I'm not putting it on my face. I'm putting it on my hands. Okay. This is such a smooth, smooth and just, I don't know. I'm going to say relaxing texture. So what you do is, when you get up in the morning, wash your face, you put it all over your face, like more or less let it sink in. Okay, and this has just been, this is having my skin just, okay. It's a youthful look on top of a youthful look, okay. That's all I'm gonna say. A youthful look on top of a youthful look. So, with that being said, this is supposed to rejuvenate the elasticity in your face, okay? For us older people or what have you, because, I'm gonna say, uh, I don't know, well, wait. Okay, I'm gonna say it like this. For like your younger generation, like my daughters, they're in their 30s. They don't need to use this. They don't need to use that. the electricity in their face, it's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere just yet. It's not. I mean, mine hasn't completely gone. I mean, like, close up and personal. The only thing I'm developing these days is a little blackness under my eyes, these little wrinkles, dents, crow's feet, whatever, anyone wants to call them. Okay? So, if you have not heard of the influencer, sign up. Look at the card. Sign up. Do some reviews. They'll send you either they send you the samples or they're going to send you the full, the full bottle. Okay? So, it's totally up to them. It's within your preferences or what have you. But I was excited. I'm excited. Okay? So, my review will be up in 30 days. Like I said, I have to use this for 30 days and then give them my review. So, with that being said, I'm glad you stopped by, okay? Because my Sundays used to be, craft Sundays, DIY Sundays, like I used to call them. But I think, this month and, going on into the end of the year, I'm just going to be stopping by and let you know, some of the products that I use, because people have sent me questions, these private messages, because people like to private message you, but it's just, some of them, I understand because maybe you don't want to put it, on the wall for everybody to see. But I am going to come back, and answer some of those questions, do some of those things, that were sent to me in private messages. So, with that being said, this is the end of my review. Okay, leave me a thumbs up. Leave me any comments. All descriptions will be left down in the box below. So you can go and sign up as well. Okay? Bye, everyone. Mwah. Thanks for watching. With my old young self. I am just aging gracefully. Gracefully. That's what you do. That's called good living. Age gracefully. And before we go, let's keep in mind, this is October, even though the first was my birthday. Okay? This is also the month of breast cancer awareness and domestic violence awareness. So, let's go help out those causes. Okay? Help out those causes. Pray for our survivors because there's a lot of women that have survived. There's a lot that has not. So we're going to pray for them all. Okay? Mwah. Bye, guys.